In this video, we will learn how you can import the existing test scripts from the Git repository and run them in Copado Robotic Testing. As a part of this exercise, we will create one sample Selenium test case using the Selenium IDE recorder and then import the same into the Copado Robotic Testing solution. Let's do this. To follow the instructions with ease, we have divided the video into 3 parts. In the first part of the video, we will see how to create Selenium test cases using Selenium IDE recorder and save them in your local system. The second part will explain how to upload your test case to the public Git repository. And lastly, in the third part, we will run the Selenium test in CRT. Starting with part 1, let's install the Selenium IDE extension in the Chrome browser. So open Chrome and type Selenium IDE. Install the extension. Now launch the extension and select Create a new project. Give your project a name and click OK. This is the space where we will be recording our test steps. Let's create a new test case. Give it a suitable name. Let's call it Selenium Test Demo for CRT. Now define the playback base URL. This is the URL from where you will be creating the test cases. Now click on the record icon. As a part of this exercise, we will add a t-shirt to the cart and checkout. So let's select Bumble the elephant. Click on Add to Cart and select Checkout. Now close this tab and go back to your recorder. As you can see, the Selenium IDE recorder has recorded all the steps that you performed on the URL. Go ahead and click on Run All Test Cases. As you noticed, Selenium IDE executed all the steps and marked them as green, which means all the steps were performed successfully. Now we will save our test case. So go ahead and click on Save Project. Our first part is completed. Let's go to the second part. Here we will create a public repository and upload our Selenium test case. Log in to GitHub. Create a new repository. Let's name it Selenium Tests. Now our repository is created. Let's upload our Selenium test file. The Selenium test script file has now been uploaded to the Git repository. Let's get to the third part of the video. This is going to be the third and final part, where we will link our repository that has our Selenium test case with CRT. Let's see how we do this. Log into CRT and navigate to your project. Here, we will be using the repository that already has a test script, and that's why we will add a custom Git suite. So go ahead and select Custom Git. Give your suite a name. Under the Git URL, provide the HTTPS link of your Git repository. Make sure you select the Public Repository checkbox as our repository is public. From the branch or tag field, you can select either of them depending on where you have uploaded your test case file. For now, we will select branch and enter main in the branch name field. Now scroll down to the Selenium and select Selenium IDE Recorded Test Suite. This is an important field to select when you create your Selenium test using an IDE recorder. Now, save your changes. Our Selenium test case has been added to the CRT. Click Run to execute the test case. As you can see, our test case has passed successfully. You can go ahead and check the execution log results for your test case. Now you know how to import the existing test scripts from the Git repository and run them in Copado Robotic Testing. Go ahead and run your test scripts in Copado Robotic Testing. Good luck!